Hello friends, today we see the Central Finance Unit 8, Replication of Classic Profit Center Accounting and Understanding WBS Object Application to the Universal Journal. In replication of Profit Center related postings, if you see the pictures, here we have the source system and we have the Central Finance system. The documents are getting replicated. The documents here shows FA, CO and PCA documents. And here the CO and PCA document and here PCA document. This is scenario where FI CO postings. This scenario is where only the CO internal posting, and there are some scenarios where only the PCA internal postings will happen, like allocation, distribution, manual postings. So these are happening to the SLT, and this is a new replication, new functionality which is added for replicating the profit center accounting. So while replicating, the user is able to define the dedicated ledger, document type, and GL account for offsetting lines needed to balance the document to 0. This is in case of online posting. So for that we need GL account to offset the document. So there are some restrictions in the PCA that is given here, like initial load of FA balance doesn't transfer the balances to profit center level. And writing line item must be activated in ECPC in the source system. Segment always get redefined in the central system. And certain type of transactions like reversal transaction GB06, no handling of postings triggered by transaction 1K EK, and deletion of transactions by 0K E1 are not reflected in the central finance. And balance carry forward needs to be done in the central finance in addition to what we do in the source system. If you are doing if you are using the transfer pricing active in source system, we have to configure currency type 32 in Universal Journal. Let's see the architecture of the ECPC simulation 2. This is the source system, this is the central finance system, and this is the T code for simulation. We have to trigger the T code from the central system, which in turn by RFC call activate the function module and read the profit center data in table GLPC and GLPCT and write those data in CFIN tables, CFIN ACCHD, CFIN ACIT, and CFIN ECCCR. Then it transfers the document to central system via SLT, and AIF will do the interface functionality, and if any errors it will get stopped and it has to be restarted. And this simulation helps in identifying the data mapping logic and posting logic, and there is no real posting. The simulation helps to check the system's environment and find the general errors before the real posting, and it increases the success posting rate. This simulation can be used for ongoing replication and initial load of PCA internal posting. Please refer the notes for additional things. Then project system. If you see here, we have the source system, we have the central system. Here we have the project structure. Project system is having the projects, the various elements in hierarchy, and getting replicated in the central finance system. And we have ALE outbound, and here it should be ALE inbound and IDOC. So using the ALE outbound IDOC technology, the master data, project system master data is getting replicated to the central finance, and there is a MDG mapping and SAP AIF while doing this replication. If any mapping is required, MDG will take care, and the SAP AIF helps in replicating the master data. And if any error, it will get stopped and it has to be restarted. And once the ALE IDOC configuration technology is set up, the replication starts. By releasing the new project WS element or saving a change to existing master data, the IDOC is sent to the central finance system. And the documents in the standard process, documents are replicated. And if it is project system, the cost of this project system, MDG will activate for the WBS mapping. Let's see the key mapping and value mapping. Each time a project or WBS element is created and modified, the MDG key mapping is called. If there is no key mapping, a new key mapping is created and stored in the MDG table. If a key mapping already exists, no updates takes place. WBS element mapping is called during the application of FICO document. Value mapping. During transfer of master data, nearly 60 fields may be mapped to support possible different customization in the source system and in the target system. All record mapping entities for key and value mapping will be delivered by SAP. Monitoring and error handling works the same way as for FICO document application. Now let's see the project system initial scope and major application. We see the structure project system. It's replicated the same way, only with some prefix of C here, and the replication is 1:1. There is no n:1 scenario. It's 1:1 scenario, always 1:1 scenario. And any changes to the data, it has to be done in the source system, and the planning, budgeting, settlement, set and release, all those things has to be done in the source system. And what are the postings happening in the source system in cost and revenue will get replicated to the central finance system, and from there you can see the consolidated central report. Central reporting and postings presented on different source systems possible in the central finance, project cost reporting, project revenue reporting. Manual postings WBS elements can also be done in central finance if required. That's it. Thanks for joining.